Now here's another thing, and you may see it in CS2 or CS3, or Computer Science 2, Computer Science 3 classes, which is a nickname for Computer Science 3 for a different course. So what you may see instead is you might see a header file, but it instead has a function prototype. So what you can do is you may need to make another CPP file, and let's just say over here we make the same thing here. And remember how to make a different extension. You edit it in Notepad itself and do save as, and change it to from txt after doing all files to remove the txt and put .cpp for C++. So after we make that CP file, we could include a source file, make resource file, but I just include it here. Not too sure on if there's some sort of thing we should follow. There probably is, but for now I can just put it under source files. That's the correct wording to put actually. I'm just not sure of which one to put. So let's add existing item, and we can go ahead and include the number manipulator.cpp. So let's start that. In order to use this, you put hashtag include, and we include the header file. So let's go ahead and copy this stuff, and let's put it in this one. And then we can finally change this to be a function prototype. So we have a function prototype over here. Now we also declare it here to make it complete. So once we do that, we can just go ahead and just run it the same way. All we really need is just this. So if we were to run it now, it still works as intended. Now here's the thing, what if we never actually did this? If we try running it, it's going to tell us about, it's going to give us like some sort of linker error, like this. And then it's telling us unresolved external symbol int and then fun int. So it's just because we didn't actually say what this function is supposed to do. It's data prototype. Hence why we got to fully complete the function at some point, which I just made another CP file for it. Now you may not need to do this in this class, but you may need to do it in Computer Science 2 or even quote-unquote Computer Science 3. But that's how you would do headers, by having the header file and then fully completing the function through another CPP file.